Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get bamboo leaves in Heartopia to make plain rice zongzi. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Basically, the plain rice zongzi is the vegetable foods, and if you want to make it, you need to buy the recipe from the exchange store with this Astralis mugwort leaf. This is the recipe, guys, and to make this food you will need bamboo leaves. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this one, the bamboo leaves. If you don't have bamboo leaves, actually you can use the universal ingredients that you can purchase from Massimo, but you can buy the bamboo leaves also from the exchange store. This is the bamboo leaves. Okay, it cost 50 Astralis mugwort leaf. Okay, so before you make the plain rice zongzi, well, let me show you guys how it looks like. Okay, this one, triangle plain rice zongzi, and also pillow shaped plain rice zongzi. To make them, you need bamboo leaves. Okay guys, and that's how you can get bamboo leaves for the Midsummer Rhyme event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!